Ever wondered what makes a truly exceptional waiter stand out in the bustling world of hospitality? It's not just about carrying trays and taking orders, it's a complex role requiring a unique set of skills. Today, we'll delve into the essential skills every top-notch waiter should possess. First on the list is communication. A great waiter knows how to communicate effectively with customers, kitchen staff, and management. They can explain the menu, answer questions, and manage expectations, all while maintaining a friendly and engaging demeanor. Remember, good communication is not just about talking, but also listening, understanding, and responding accordingly. Next is attention to detail. Whether it's remembering a customer's specific dietary requirements or noticing when a glass needs refilling, a keen eye for detail can elevate a dining experience from good to outstanding. Small gestures can make a big difference, so never underestimate the power of paying attention to the finer details. Thirdly, we have multitasking. A busy shift can resemble a juggling act with multiple tables, orders, and requests all requiring attention simultaneously. A skilled waiter can handle this pressure, prioritizing tasks and managing their time effectively to ensure every customer feels attended to. Then there's stamina. Waiting tables is physically demanding. It requires being on your feet for long periods, often in a fast-paced, high-pressure environment. A good waiter needs the stamina to maintain high energy levels throughout their shift, ensuring that the service stays top-notch from start to finish. Another skill is adaptability. Every day in hospitality brings new challenges, from dealing with difficult customers to coping with unexpected issues like a power cut or a dish selling out. A great waiter can adapt and think on their feet, turning potential problems into positive experiences for customers. Lastly, we have a skill that's often overlooked but absolutely crucial: teamwork. A restaurant is a team, from the kitchen staff to the front of house. A successful waiter understands this and knows how to work collaboratively, respecting their colleagues and contributing to a positive, efficient working environment. So, to recap, we've discussed 6 key skills that every waiter should aim to master. Communication for effective interaction with customers and staff. Attention to detail to elevate the dining experience. Multitasking to manage the demands of a busy shift. Stamina to keep up with the physical demands of the job. Adaptability to handle the unexpected challenges that inevitably arise. And teamwork to ensure a harmonious, efficient working environment. Each of these skills is essential in its own right, but together they create a well-rounded, exceptional waiter capable of providing an unforgettable dining experience. Remember, being a waiter is about more than just serving food. It's about creating an experience, and these skills are your tools to do just that. So go out there and serve up some excellence.